Hi kids, hello बच्चों. This is a heart. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a star. And this is a hexagon. Yellow color. The heart is of yellow color. Blue color. The triangle is of blue color. Look around you and see what all things look like a triangle. The triangle has 3 sides. Pink color. The square is of pink color. Again, look around you and see what all things are square in shape. Square has 4 equal sides. Green color. The circle is of green color. Look around you. What all things are circular in shape? Brown color. The star is of brown color. The stars shine bright and up in the sky. And orange color. The hexagon is of orange color. The hexagon has 6 sides. Let's revise. चलो फिर से करते हैं. Heart, yellow color. Triangle, blue color. Square, pink color. Circle, green color. Star, brown color. And hexagon, orange color. Simple. चलो कल मिलते हैं. Bye bye.